From my own travels across this remarkable planet, I have seen wonders that defy description, landscapes that stir the soul, and life in its most extraordinary forms. Yet there is a place that holds particular magic, a cluster of islands adrift in the vast South Pacific, a land of myth and majesty. Today I wish to share unbelievable facts about New Zealand, known to its first people as Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. To truly comprehend the unique character of New Zealand, one must first grasp the significance of its profound isolation. Imagine a land, adrift and alone, slowly charting its own course through the vast expanse of the ocean. For over 80 million years, these remarkable islands drifted apart from the ancient supercontinent of Gondwana. This separation wasn't just a geological event, it was the dawn of a new biological chapter. This forged a unique evolutionary path, with New Zealand becoming a world unto themselves, a living laboratory where nature could experiment and innovate in ways unseen anywhere else. The consequences of this long isolation are still visible today, etched into the very landscape and woven into the genetic code of its inhabitants. This extended period of solitude, spanning epochs, allowed life to evolve in truly remarkable and unparalleled ways. With limited external influence, the native species diversified and adapted to fill ecological niches in extraordinary ways. The islands transformed into a veritable kingdom of birds, boasting an astonishing array of species, from the mighty, now extinct moa, to the iconic and tiny flightless kiwi, found nowhere else on Earth. Consider the moa, a giant flightless bird that once roamed the land, a testament to the absence of mammalian predators. And then there's the kiwi, a quirky nocturnal creature that embodies the unique spirit of New Zealand's avian life. These birds, and countless other species, are living proof of the power of isolation to shape the course of evolution. This geographical isolation shaped not only the incredible flora and unique fauna of the islands, but also profoundly influenced the spirit of its people, fostering a resourceful and innovative number 8Y mentality. The early settlers, faced with the challenges of a remote and rugged land, had to rely on their ingenuity and adaptability to survive. This speaks to the ability to solve any problem, no matter how complex, with whatever materials are readily available. It's a testament to the Kiwi spirit of self-reliance and a can-do attitude that permeates New Zealand culture to this day. This ingenuity, born from isolation, has become a defining characteristic of the nation, shaping its identity and driving its innovation on the world stage. It's a legacy of resilience, forged in the crucible of a land apart. If paradise is defined by pristine landscapes and untouched wilderness, New Zealand presents a compelling case. Over a third of the country is protected in national parks, walking through ancient forests of fjordland, with moss-draped beaches that have stood for centuries, one feels a sense of timelessness. The women of New Zealand embody the country's spirit of independence. This is the first country to grant all women the right to vote in 1893, setting a global precedent. From leading the nation as prime ministers to running high country farms, Kiwi women possess a down-to-earth quality and core of resilience. Deep beneath rolling green hills lies a hidden universe, the Waitomo Caves, a living spectacle illuminated by millions of tiny creatures. These tiny larvae dangle sticky threads to ensnare prey, producing bioluminescent glow that turns dark caverns into breathtaking imitation of the night sky. Nowhere is New Zealand's connection to Middle-earth more tangible than at Hobbiton movie set in the Waikato region, rebuilt as a permanent enchanting attraction. The attention to detail is astonishing, unique hobbit holes with tiny mailboxes, miniature vegetable gardens, and hobbit-sized laundry fluttering in the breeze. In Dunedin lies Baldwin Street, holder of the Guinness World Record for steepest residential street in the world, a 35% gradient that challenges vehicles and pedestrians alike. Wellington, the capital, is consistently ranked as one of the world's most livable cities, despite constant winds from Cook Strait. Its walkable downtown pulses with creative energy. In a country where sheep outnumber people 5-1, sheep shearing has been elevated to national sport. The Golden Shears is a high-stakes competition where elite athletes can shear a sheep in under 20 seconds. At Hot Water Beach on the Coromandel Peninsula, you can dig your own natural hot spring spa. Geothermally heated water flows beneath the sand, creating personal hot tubs at low tide. New Zealand, a land of breathtaking landscapes and unique biodiversity, holds a secret that sets it apart from much of the world, a complete absence of native snakes. This fascinating quirk of its natural history offers a sense of freedom rarely found elsewhere. Imagine exploring the untamed wilderness, venturing deep into the heart of the country without the slightest worry of encountering a venomous serpent. This remarkable absence allows you to hike through the densest bush, wander through lush forests teeming with life, or even walk barefoot in tall grass, feeling the earth beneath your feet with absolutely no fear of a venomous encounter lurking nearby. It's a truly liberating experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. This unique situation is a direct result of the country's long geological isolation, a separation from other land masses that spanned millions of years, preventing the natural migration of snakes. Furthermore, New Zealand's unwavering commitment to strict biosecurity measures acts as a vigilant shield, preventing the accidental introduction of these reptiles, ensuring that the country remains a haven free from their presence. This dedication to preserving its unique ecosystem is a testament to New Zealand's commitment to conservation. The Kiwi, New Zealand's beloved national treasure and an iconic symbol of the nation, is a bird of captivating contradictions, a creature that defies expectations at every turn. Unlike most birds, it's flightless, relying on its strong legs to navigate the forest floor. Its feathers are not the typical plumage you might expect. Instead, they resemble soft, hair-like strands, providing excellent camouflage amongst the undergrowth. And perhaps most remarkably, its nostrils are situated right at the tip of its beak, allowing it to sniff out insects and grubs hidden beneath the soil. These unique adaptations make the kiwi a truly extraordinary bird, perfectly suited to its environment. However, the kiwi faces numerous challenges in the modern world. Introduced predators, such as stoats, cats, and dogs, pose a significant threat to their survival. Habitat loss and fragmentation also contribute to their decline. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, dedicated conservation efforts are constantly underway, striving to protect and save this gentle creature from these threats. These efforts include predator control programs, habitat restoration projects, and captive breeding programs aimed at boosting kiwi populations. Ensuring its survival for generations to come is a national priority, a commitment to preserving this unique and precious part of New Zealand's natural heritage. The haka commences with a powerful, guttural cry that reverberates through the air, immediately capturing attention and sending shivers down your spine. This primal sound, a call to action and a declaration of intent, sets the stage for a performance that is both awe-inspiring and deeply moving. This traditional Maori postured dance is far more than just a performance. It's a profound and deeply moving expression of cultural identity, a living embodiment of the Maori spirit. Each movement, each gesture, each facial expression tells a story, conveying a sense of history, tradition, and belonging. It's a burning passion, an unwavering pride that transcends the barriers of language, connecting performers and audiences alike in a shared experience of cultural significance. The haka is a powerful reminder of the strength and resilience of the Maori people, a testament to their enduring connection to their land and their ancestors. It is a celebration of their heritage, a vibrant display of their cultural identity, and a powerful expression of their unwavering spirit. New Zealand's true magic lies in hidden corners that don't make guidebooks. It rewards curious travellers willing to turn down gravel roads to discover secluded beaches and forgotten waterfalls. The spirit of creativity and community shines in New Zealand's quirky festivals, from Hokatika's Wild Foods Festival featuring hohu grubs and lamb's testicles, to Wellington's spectacular world of wearable art. Living in paradise comes at a cost. Housing in cities like Auckland can be expensive, and many goods are imported. However, incredible natural attractions are often free to access. To truly know New Zealand, taste its food. From traditional Maori hangi cooked in earth ovens to world-renowned Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc, flavours reflect the land, sea, and multicultural heritage. Our journey through Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud, reveals a tapestry of breathtaking contrasts, a symphony of landscapes that captivate the soul. From the geothermal wonders of Rotorua to the serene beauty of the Bay of Islands, New Zealand offers an experience unlike any other. Perhaps true paradise isn't a singular, fixed location, a destination marked on a map, but rather a collection of fleeting moments, a series of sensory experiences that resonate deep within us. It's the profound silence of a fjordland dawn, broken only by the gentle lapping of water against the shore, the joy of discovering a secluded beach, where the sand is soft and the ocean whispers secrets, or the thrill of hiking a challenging mountain trail, pushing your limits and being rewarded with panoramic vistas. It's the taste of fresh seafood, the scent of pine forests, and the warmth of the Kiwi spirit. These are the moments that define paradise. If this glimpse into the diverse and stunning landscapes of New Zealand has sparked a sense of wanderlust within you, if it's ignited a fire in your heart to explore the unknown, please show your support by giving this video a like. Your engagement helps us share these incredible destinations with a wider audience, inspiring others to embark on their own adventures. And if you're eager for more journeys to remarkable and often unexplored corners of our planet, from the icy landscapes of Antarctica to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, subscribe to stay updated. We're constantly seeking out new and exciting locations to showcase, bringing you the beauty and wonder of the world one video at a time. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when our next adventure drops. ensuring you never miss a chance to escape the ordinary and immerse yourself in the extraordinary. Until our next adventure unfolds, may you continue to seek out the wonder, the beauty, and the magic that exists in the world all around you, both near and far. Open your eyes to the small miracles that happen every day, the vibrant colors of a sunset, the intricate patterns of a snowflake, the laughter of a child. These are the moments that make life worth living. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of adventure alive. Let curiosity be your guide, and let the world be your classroom. Embrace the unknown, challenge your perceptions, and never stop learning. The world is a vast and wondrous place, full of endless possibilities. Go out there and explore it. If you enjoyed this journey through New Zealand, please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel stories. Your support helps us bring more adventures to you. See you in the next video.